Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat message pending problem. So guys, if you're facing pending problem on Snapchat with a specific person, then let me tell you that this person has removed you from his friend request. So to fix this, what you have to do is just simply close this specific person, and you have to tap on three lines, and you have to tap on manage friendship, and then you have to remove friend from here, and you have to remember the username of this person. So after removing, you have to search this person and you have to request it again. If this person will accept your friend request, then you will be able to send message to him. If this person isn't remove you from his friend request and still you are facing pending problem on Snapchat, and then let me tell you that what to do. Just simply make sure that you have a strong enough network connection. If you have, then you have to turn the aeroplane mode on, and after a minute you have to turn it off again, and after that you have to tap on settings and make sure that your network is on 4G. For that you have to tap on SIM card and mobile network, and from here you have to select that SIM which you want to use for internet, and you have to check from here preferred network type. So you have to check on this 4G or auto. After doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still exists there, you have to tap on app management from here. Let me tell you that you have to clear cache of Snapchat. So firstly you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to Snapchat. So after this you have to tap on storage and cache, clear storage, go back for stop the app. So after doing this, you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then you have to uninstall your Snapchat and then restart your phone. And after doing all these things, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If that video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.